Hello everyone, this is masumjia here. So now we'll see the most important part for our metapixel. Okay, so now let's see. I have already configured my metapixel and meta conversion API. So you can check out my earlier videos. So to check out how to did and set up the same for you as well. So this time, if I give it, let's say for any after any change, you make sure that you do not have any changes left, like you have to make sure that changes is zero. Because until zero, it will not go live and it will not start tracking your data. Okay, all good now. So I have to check that if my data is receiving on my pixel from both sides. Okay, that is this. Okay, not this, not this. Okay, now this one, my browser's container. Click on this. Okay, all good. Now let's check on our events manager. So it's not showing any data still, right? Let's submit the form. It should be lead. We should receive two events. Lead is one from server, one from browser. Let's name it masumjia. Okay, it should not submit. jiamasum@gmail.com. Okay, now test it here first. You see your generate lead has been fired, and here on that page on content loaded, my generate lead and Facebook pixel both are fired. Now go to my event manager. You see we are receiving server and browser, but these are both same event, right? So we should set up something called deduplication so that those both two count as one. So why do we set this up? Because when sometimes we see that our data is can be blocked from browser side, and or sometimes can be blocked from both sides. So let's say one has been passed, like server would be passed most of the time. Most of the time means 90% plus time. So if both has been coming at the same time, we should deduplicate them and it will count as one for meta. What you need to do is go to variables, mm, click on new variable configuration, discover more tag types, call it event ID. Search it, you see even a unique event ID. You can use anything you want from here. I'll use this. Add. Okay, add it. So if I refresh, I'll see the template here. Okay, if I click on here, you see it's the unique event ID. I don't want to do anything from here. I just need to edit the template. I did it. Click on the Facebook pixel, or you see, go to advanced, not more settings. I'll click on that. Again, I'll choose this and name it event ID. Okay, it's done. Save it. I'm showing you the most simplest way. Event parameter, type here event ID and show the value. This, submit, skip. You can name the changes you made to your GTM, but for me, I do not want to do them. That's why I am not going ahead. All good. Now what to do? Now again, give it a preview. It's time for us to test if my data is being deduplicated or not. Okay, all clear here. I'll submit this masumjia masum@gmail.com. Okay, okay. You see my lead event has been fired from browser side and it should be fired from my server side as well, which is this. Okay. Server and browser both has been fired. So now go to my, you now see this. That's my browser, and that's my browser, and that's my server data. It is coming up with the extra data, you see, event ID. So when you do this, those two, so we have several ways to test it. If I searched it, you see both the event ID are same. That means Meta would know these two event is same. So that should get deduplicated and give you an deduplication interface. We need to wait few seconds just. I'll give it Control Shift R, a hard refresh so that it gets faster. Deduplication shows us this animation. Okay. Okay, so as we can see, I have give it a few minutes. It's not deduplicated, showing me the deduplication interface. It should show you the deduplication interface. It depends sometimes on the meta system. So sometimes it shows faster, sometimes it shows slower. As long as the IDs are same on both sides, it should be deduplicated. So I'll show you an overview of how they look like. You see, this would look like this. So instead, we are doing it for lead, right? So it should be lead, then lead, browser and server, those both will be deduplicated and show you like this one event. So that way Meta would count it as a one event. However, it get received from multiple sources, doesn't matter. So you are doing deduplication, it's better for you to get better data quality.